Hey everybody, it's Jamie from Plum Island Sea Cabin. It has been a super crazy week with all of the weather and the hurricane and the devastation in Southwest Florida, Sanibel Island. I know that you all have been watching it very closely on the news and in social media. But with all the craziness and everything going on, we wanted to bring a little bit of joy to someone today. We have the results of this week's shell hunt giveaway. So we're hoping to make somebody's day, make somebody a little bit happier, and we are going to give the results of who won. My computer randomly selected a name from all of the comments. Thank you all of you who participated. And we are going to be doing more giveaways coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But the winner of today's shell hunt is Julia Mall. So congratulations, thank you so much. We will be reaching out to you for your address. We're gonna clean up and box up the shells. Everything that we find in today's shell hunt is yours, along with a lot of shells that we found in last week's video. So go back and check that out when you get a chance. We're gonna be cleaning up the shells, boxing them up, and we will be shipping them out to you. So thank you so much, congratulations. And everybody else, stay tuned for more giveaways. And right now, we're going shelling. So we just got to the refuge and we entered the beach and we are getting all the residual effects from the hurricane. We have super duper high winds. It's crazy windy out there. We have a really angry ocean. We're hoping that spits out some really good shells for us up on the beach so we can collect them. But I am not 100% confident that the audio on this video is going to work once we get out of the car because it is that windy. A lot of times when it's high winds, the microphone cuts out. It's crazy windy today. Unfortunately, I won't know if the audio works until I get home and we review this footage. So I'm going to do the best I can. We'll make the most of what we get. If the audio doesn't work, maybe I'll put some music underneath the video and I'll put some text up on the screen so you can tell what's going on and what kind of shells we're finding. But it is crazy windy outside today. We're going to do our best and we're going to get out there and we're going to hit the beach and go shelling. It is crazy windy today. Let me show you the beach. It is crazy. Nice colorful moon. Can block the wind with my back a little bit. I don't know if that helps the audio at all, but definitely gives you a better visual of the shells we're finding. lemon whelk, and it is fully intact. Great find. It does not get much better than that here. That is a nice deep water shell. Getting so distracted, there's just so much on the beach. Really nice moon with some barnacles on it. Finding a lot of barnacle crusted things here today. We will definitely check the barnacles to make sure they are expired before taking off. It is cold today too. I don't know if you know that, but it is like 50 degrees here. My hands are getting a little red. It is definitely a chilly day at the beach. The sea foam. Whew, very foamy. So many cool things washing up. Look at these really cool barnacle crusted mussels, blue mussels with these beautiful white barnacles on them. Beautiful pieces of beechwood washing up from the storm. More barnacle crusted mussels. So I am on the upper portion of the beach because it is just getting too scary down by the water. So right at that edge, there is a huge drop off from a ton of erosion. And you don't want to get too close to that because that could just break away under your feet. So we're staying up here towards the upper portion of the beach, but there are still shells that are getting kicked way up here. This is a gorgeous moon shell. Look at the coloring on this. Ooh. Almost took a digger there, but look at this. Should have taken a picture of that before I grabbed it. And that is dry, so that is going to stay that color. That is magnificent. But I definitely should have taken a picture of that before I disturbed it in the sand, but it is beautiful. Still on the upper portion of the beach. And the wind just does not stop. It's a lot of traps that washed up from the storm. Lobsterman number. Keep heading down the beach. Some of this driftwood is gorgeous. Grab a piece or two for the shell hunt box. I mean, look at that. That's a really nice piece of driftwood. Crazy huge pieces of lobster. Looks like it was probably a blue lobster that washed up. And down here it looks like one of the claws. I mean, look at that. All this cool stuff is washing up today. It's like we're finding lobster pieces all over the beach. Leave that here. Whew. Really nice dog whelk. It's really hard to keep the camera straight. Very nice dog whelk. I'm also finding some horseshoe crab carapace. Here, we'll leave this here. And you can see the wind blowing through the seagrass up there on the dunes, but there's also these amazing little sand sculptures all over the beach that are being windscaped. Ooh, another piece of a common whelk. It is busted up stuff, but very pretty. Get all that sea foam washing up and blowing all over the place. I don't know how much longer we can withstand these winds, so we'll probably be cutting it a little bit short today and heading back to the car. I can't stop looking at the ground because there's so much stuff to find. And at the same time, this is so much fun. But even though we're having a blast, we gotta be safe. Some moons washing up today, a little bit of everything. And as long as you can hear me, we'll be good. And if not, we'll figure it out. But we are so happy with all the stuff that is getting kicked up on the beach today. Not as epic as that nor'easter video that I have up there, but we're getting pretty close. Literally just sit here and load up buckets of shells. Thanks, Skip! Ooh! Holy cow! That was a gift. Check this out. Totally just washed up right by my feet. Another one over here. Really big stuff starting to wash up. More mangled lobster traps. No shells. Holy smokes, seashells, everyone. These are great shells for the shell hunt. I just can't believe how much stuff is washing up. And we're not even getting close to the water today because it is way too crazy. And I mean, if this is what it is like here, I can't even imagine what it was like when this storm hit shore. And just so you know, for our safety, we are right, like probably 10 yards away from the beach exit, so we are not wandering too far today. It is way too oceany out here. But my goodness, all the stuff that is washing up. That is a really nice oyster shell. That is a European flat oyster, and we do not usually find these here on Plum Island. All these buoys getting washed up. It's a nice oyster shell. Keep that for the shell nut collection box. Nice chestnut astarte. Really huge vertebrae. I feel like I'm standing here and all these moods are washing up. I think you can see it a little bit, but to give you the full understanding of what it is like here today, like, keep imagining the strongest winds you can feel with someone throwing handfuls of sand in your mouth every time you open it. I mean, it's so much sand today. It's crazy.